Government over there. You want to cut and go back up there? Close. Huh? Don't bubble the business first. It's going to affect you. It's going to affect the next election. You will make trouble. I know we can make trouble today. Who says so? Madam Speaker.
Before you commence, member, you are being permitted by the House to only do one motion today, which is the first one on your list of 6 private members' motion. I'm only now advised that it was your wish and hope to do all 6 of them.
Madam Speaker. Just a minute.
No, respectfully.
Standing Order 23 makes it clear that a private member's motion cannot be debated before 6 days after its published in Standing Order and not beyond 21 days. Today is 21 days for these 6 private members' motion. It will not take me more than 5 minutes to deal with each. It will not take me more than 25 minutes to deal with each. They are not confirmation. 6 of them. You want more than 5 minutes. Per. No, I don't know what you're going to do after that. But 5 minutes per motion is not much. So you can only extend beyond the 21 days with the permission of the member who laid the motions. And the issue is, no. Huh? Not one. The issue is, you will have to convince me of a reason why I should give permission to extend the period beyond 21 days.
Member from St. Catherine Southwest. Member from St. Catherine Southwest, take your seat, please.
Madam Speaker.
Member from St. Catherine Southwest.
All 6 in 50 minutes.
That's not your option, member from Member from St. Catherine Southwest, take your seat, please.